Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Now, for this video, we're going to talk about how to use Monday.com. Now, if you're not familiar with that project management tool, I just want to let you know that it's going to be an awesome project management tool. So, to get started, open up your browser. If you're using your Windows PC, your MacBook, your Linux OS, it's perfectly fine. Opening up any browser you have right there, maybe Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge. We also have, I think, Mozilla Firefox in the mix. Well, anyway, open a browser right there and search up Monday.com on Google. And here I'm just going to type in Monday.com. Now, if you click on enter for this one, it should show this part right here. So for those beginners right there who doesn't really know what is Monday.com, well, basically it's going to be a project management platform wherein you really manage your project within. By the name itself, as you can see right here, what would you like to manage? Basically, it will ask you what to do here. Maybe project, task, marketing, designs, CRM, software, IT, operations, and product, and so much more. It doesn't limit itself for these 9 selections right here. What's amazing about this one? You can select everything. As you can see right here, I'm selecting all 9, and basically, Monday.com gives you a user interface tailor-fitted to your design on this everything selection. And by the way, guys, it doesn't have a credit card needed to start the free trial. Not unlike any softwares out there, to get started on the free trial, you're gonna need to select and give out your credit card. Speaking about credit card, let's talk about the pricing for this platform. If I go here, and these are gonna be the prices. So before we get into the prices, we have work management, CRM. We also have dev and service. Each of them has its different prices, but for now, we're going to focus only on work management. So for depending on the team size, you can choose one of each. It will really differentiate your prices. And the minimum is going to be 3, and these are going to be the changes. So first one, the one we're using is free trial up to 2 seats. It's going to be free forever. What it gives you is going to be, it gives you, of course, 3 boards, unlimited documents, 200 plus templates, 8 column types, and iOS and Android apps. That's actually really good. Now, this is just for individuals looking to keep track on their work. Next up, we have the basic. For the basic, we're going to have the prioritized customer support. Why did I highlight this one? Because imagine this is going to be your first time using it, right? And of course, there's going to be those times when you're really confused. So prioritized customer support gives you that help you need. Not unlike the free trial, you'll also get that customer support, but again, it's not gonna be prioritized. You're also gonna be free viewers, unlimited. Take note, guys, it says unlimited free viewers, meaning if you have the free trial and you send Monday.com to your team, only a limited number can really see what's going on inside. You're gonna get 5 gigabytes of file storage, wherein in the free one you won't have any storage. I think the minimum would be at least 1, not unlike the 5 one for the basic one. And the best part about this one's actually really new, the AI credits. So we're gonna have 500 AI credits per month per account, meaning Monday.com really revolutionized itself as of now, seeing that it has an AI working together with project management. As you can see right here, bring AI into your work with Monday.com. Get ready to experience how AI can transform your way you work and unlock smarter and more efficient workflows. Basically, you just need to say some few words, for example, as this person, extract info and prioritize tasks, and the AI side will really help you out. Now, if you're worried if Monday.com is really legit, here are going to be the customers worldwide relying on Monday.com. You have Canva, you have Nutricia, Verdant Solar, Justgo, and so much more. You also have this frequent and last questions, but we're going to tackle those later on. Let's go back on the main landing page right here. Now, to get started on Monday.com, basically you just have to click Get Started on the top right corner, or this part right here. For me, I'm going to select the top right corner right there and click on it. So once I click on that one, it will get me started on this part right here. It will ask me for some credentials. It will ask me for what email to use. And you'll see that you can also continue with your Google account. Let me just click on continue right there. I'm just going to use my dummy Google account for this one, just to test the waters. So guys, you can also do this one just to check what's inside monday.com. So it will ask you some series of questions. If you're wondering what kind of questions or what's the purpose of these questions, so monday.com asks you these questions for you guys to tell your fit your project management template inside. Meaning, monday.com will give you an exact user interface depending on your answers. So for example, this one. It's asking what brings here today. We're gonna click work right there, and it will ask our current role. I'm gonna go freelancer, click continue. And in here, it will ask us select what you like to manage first. Of course, for this one, I'm gonna go for CRM. I'm gonna go for education or other. Notice that you can only choose one. For this one, I'm just gonna select product management. Click on continue. And basically for this one, select what you'd like to focus on first. This is gonna be a different set of questions and answers. I'm gonna go for this. I'm looking for product management that aligns with the first choice I have. I'm gonna with task management. So one last question, how did you hear about us? I'm just gonna go for a friend here. Or YouTube, you can select more than one. I'm gonna click on continue right there and wait for it to open up. Take note guys, those questions are really important for monday.com to tailor fit what's inside you. For monday.com to tailor fit what's going to be inside your user interface. So for this one, it's just going to be another question. You can just click on remind me later. Or if you have a dummy email, you can just enter it here and choose member or admin. Again guys, for free account, you can only have up to 3 members inside. Let me just add one here. I'm gonna go guy 1, or let me just add an email. Since I'm using a dummy email right here, I'm gonna use another one. That would be this email right there. And basically for this one, I'm gonna name him admin or member and click on invite to your team. Now basically it's getting ready for me. So I'm just gonna name my first project sample project. You notice that it's gonna be real-time naming. So click on next right there. It will now ask me what are the relevant columns for your bird. So you have owner, status, due date, timeline. What's best about this one is you can select more than one. Remember what I showed you earlier? And on the right side right there, it will show you how it should look like. Pretty awesome, right? You can still change them and edit them inside, but for now, we will give you a preview on how it should look like. Pretty awesome. I'm gonna click on next right now. Now for the next one, it will ask me for some productivity tools. I'm just gonna click on Slack there. How about Trello? Just for the sake of it, go for Gmail. Click on next. And for this one, these are gonna be real-time insights and dashboard. I want everything. Click on next right there. And for this one, select a view layout. I'm gonna select everything. Or if you want Kanban cards, calendar, table, cards, depending on your liking, or Gantt chart, I'm gonna go for table. Click on next for this one, and basically click on get started. Now let's wait for it to take us inside. And here we have it. Welcome to monday.com. Now if you want to change for a paid plan for now, click on the see all plans on the upper left section. On the upper right section, you have your notifications, you have your update feed, you can invite members here. Monday Marketplace is going to be here, which is going to be the extensions for the applications that you want to integrate inside your platform. And the most powerful for me is going to be this one, the search button. If you're not really sure where you can find the things that you want to find, search it right here. And I'm sure monday.com will give that to you. On this product switcher right there, you can switch on the products earlier that I showed you. You can choose dev and others. And this one, this is going to be your account. You can choose my profile up to log out on this. Now I'm looking for the application or the feature here that can change the theme, because I don't really like light theme, and I think a lot of people also go for the white theme or the dark theme rather. So upon checking, you can just change your theme here. You can choose night, for example, or you can choose dark. For me, I'm gonna go for night, like so. It's pretty much more professional looking for me. On the left side, you can go for tools, your favorites, workspaces, the project management, and in here you can choose the main table. You can change the pin view, share view. You can add your task right there, search it up, person, filter, what kind of things you're looking for. We can hide something. For example, I'm going to hide the status bar right there. And basically, I can hide everything. I can group the columns I want. And the three dots right here gives the option to really italize and add some more coloring. For example, for cell number 1 or this one, I'm going to go for green and basically name it differently. Now let's talk about the task here. So in here, as promised earlier, before creating the money.com, it asks us questions how it look like. That's why it's tailor-fitted for everything to our liking. If you click on this one right there, it will give you the option on the lower side. This is duplicate, export, archive, delete, move to, or add applications. And it's that powerful. As you can see right there, it's already named. Each column is already named for its use. And basically, that's going to be the beginners. And basically, that's going to be the beginner tutorial for monday.com. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.